Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my closet makeover. I always had to share my closet. I've never had my own closet. This was super exciting to do and it was very much needed because I had a mess in my closet ever since I moved. I've been here for months now and I'm just now getting to my closet. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you my closet and please do not judge me because this is so embarrassing. Like and I have a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of as well. So right now my closet's looking like this. Y'all, oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Look at all this clothes and shoes. I even have some of Marjorie's clothes in here. Like, look at all this mess. Like, why am I living like this? But this is the before of my closet. Total mess. This is the before. Y'all, so I don't even know where to start. Oh my god, like, you know what? Let me just push all the clothes over here. Because I have to go through everything that I don't want. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and show you what I have bought for my closet so far. So I bought these hangers from Ross. They were $4 and it's 2 of them, and this is to like hang pants and stuff like that. Like they have the 4-tier things right here, and I got these from Ross. Then I got these for my sports bras, and these are, I think it's 2 of them. Yeah, it's 2 of them, and these were $7. So I got that. From Burlington, I got this shoe rack, and it says it holds up to 12 pair of shoes. And this was $10. So hopefully it works good. Then from Amazon, I got this. I'm going to insert a picture of how it looks because I have to assemble it. So I got this thing for my sunglasses because I do have a lot of sunglasses. And then, oh my god, I got this. I can't even take it out. This jewelry box from Amazon. This is how it looks from the top, where you put your rings and stuff. This is the second one. This is the second one. And then the third one. This is so cute. I got this for to put my perfumes or body mist. It's like the tier thing. Then I got these from Five Below. Are these like little bins to put clothes in there. They were $5 for 2. And then from Walmart, I got these hangers. They're like white plastic hangers. So hopefully this is enough. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start like folding the clothes, taking everything I don't want out. Okay guys, so I think this lighting looks so much better. I really like this little thing. This thing has power. Look at me. Lighting makes a huge difference. At this point, I just want to give everything away because a lot of clothes that I don't even wear. I've been holding on to stuff for years. Talking about, oh, whenever I get to a size 4. Girl, you know you ain't never gonna get to no size 4. I don't even want to be a size 4. Like, why am I holding on to things? As you can see, I kind of like color coordinated everything. There's like my tops, and then right here my pants. So now I'm gonna organize my workout clothes. And workout clothes, I have a lot. When you start finding random stuff in your closet that you haven't seen in a long time, like, why do I never wear none of this stuff? Ni se mira la bolsa. This is 8 leggings and they all fit here. And you could still like put 3. I put 2, but you can put 3 on here. You guys, I found my light. If you've been watching me since the beginning, you remember this light. I'm definitely gonna hang it back up. That's how the bins look. I don't know if I want to leave them there or move them to this side over here. I just have to organize the shoes, but for right now I'm gonna leave them there. You guys, so this is an update of my closet. Look, much better. I still have to organize my shoes, but super organized. Okay guys, so I'm back. I had to take Marjorie to cheer practice. So and then while she was in cheer practice, I went to Walmart to find like this bookshelf that I'm gonna put in here. I'm about to build in my shoe rack. Girl, they put a tape on here to the point where I can't even open it. I did get like a big tall shelf from Target to put in my closet, and then I was looking for a small one. The small shelf I got from Walmart. I got it today because I was trying to get it online and it kept saying that it was out of stock, but I went in the store and it was there. Shoe rack is supposed to look like this. And it says no tools required. A veces lo barato sale caro, because like, ¿qué es esto? This better work, porque si no lo voy a regresar. This is how my shoe rack looks. Give you guys a quick update because I've been building. I built this. I put my 3 pair of boots down here. And then I was building this. I was having so much difficulties. Like, it's so easy to put together, but for some reason I was struggling. I'm gonna go ahead and organize my sunglasses. So this is how it looks. Isn't it so cute? See how they start from up here and they go down like that. Isn't it so cute? I like how it looks. Looks super organized. I have sunglasses left, but I barely wear these, and these are like my everyday sunglasses. But yeah guys, I love how it looks. Hey guys, so it's like a week and a half later, and I'm sorry if I'm looking crazy, but I literally have had no time to work on my closet because I've been busy working and I'm a mom, so it's kind of like hard to work on things sometimes. But right now I'm going to build this shelf, this bookcase shelf that I got from Target. I saw on TikTok. Let me show you guys. It's like that. So if you have a big closet and you want to do something like affordable, that's how the shelves are. Bro, this brightness on my ring light. Guys, y disculpen las fachas que cargo. I'm looking crazy, but let's start because this is time consuming. And yeah, let's see. Romeo Santos is tóxico. I love him though. I love him though. Guys, I finally have it in here. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I do have to fix the shelves right here, and it's like wobbly because it comes with this like little hook to like hook it to your wall. Guys, so this is how the shelf looks. I think 2 could fit in here if I needed it, but I don't. I think 1 is just fine. I found this candle at Dollar Tree. I got a pink one for Marjorie's room, and I found a little purple one. This is so cute. And I got this candle from Amazon, and it came with this candle. You guys, look how cute. Now that I have the shelf up, I'm gonna go ahead and put this shelf together. It's for me to put my body mist or perfumes. I don't own perfumes. Yeah, I just have body mist. You guys, look how it looks. So clean, so cute. So I'm gonna put it right here. That's how I organized it so they can be shown. This is the Ariana Grande Cloud Mist. This is the Ari by Ariana Grande. This is from Victoria's Secret. It's the warm and cozy soft vanilla toasted coconut. This one's from Sol de Janeiro, and it's the Brazilian Crush 40, I guess that's what it's called, and it's black, amber plum, and vanilla woods. It smells so good. And you guys, all these smell so good, and they're affordable. I think this one was like $30. This one was $14. This one was $8. This one was $8. So they're all affordable and make you smell so good. And I have my jewelry box here. I still haven't put anything up here or down here. Down here, I think whenever I get more shoes, I can put shoes down here. Clothes. But yeah, with time, I'm gonna fill it up. Then over here, I have my sunglasses. The 2 little candles. I plan to put like a plant over here. Or a little fake plant. And I need to buy baskets to put down here to organize this. And that's my little pocketbook. My shoes. And I have 2 little baskets here. My waist trainers, bathing suits there. My shoes. Have my shoes right there. Bins filled up with clothes, like clothes for home. Clothes that I wear around the house. You know, like old clothes. Stuff like that I wear around the house. And my shorts, my clothes, my shirt, my jacket, my pants. It's not small compared to other apartment closets. It's a decent size. It's like, but this is how it looks. Oh, you guys see my Hello Kitty shirt? I got it from Ross. It's so cute. I have this ring that I got from Shein. It's an M because Margie. I'm just gonna put it in here like that. I have another ring that I got from Shein. It's little butterflies. Just gonna put in there. These earrings that my god sister gave me. these little hoops that I got from Shein. Surprisingly, the jewelry from Shein has not turned green. I did have one that said 777 and it did break. It's because I was doing something heavy and I was wearing it. So, but surprisingly, it has not turned green because I do not put them in water. But yeah, they've been holding on real good. Oh, I found a picture of my grandma. It was in my other jewelry box. I have these little earrings that I get from Walmart for my cartilage piercings. I'm just gonna put them in here. I really need to get more jewelry.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm, won't feel it, it's smile. Still wanna try, still believe.
So yeah, guys, finally my closet is. I just can't believe like I have this in a closet. So let me know if I should move these over here instead. So like when you walk in, you don't see them. But to be honest, I'm not like, it's a closet. So yeah, that's how it looks up here. Jean jacket from Fashion Nova. I actually thrifted this from Poshmark and I stay wearing it in the fall. Like if you see me with this jean jacket all the time, mind your business. I think so cute. I want to live in here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.